tuna need kushare nudes tukikosana na vitu kama hizo. So that's one of the trending stories hapa Kenya, and people will talk shit and be like, this is not what we are looking for and what, but the numbers that post did, if I was to look for that post, will show you that Wakenya tunakuwaga 1 minute tukisema tunataka vitu serious, lakini in reality hatupendi vitu serious. Wacha nione, I think your post, I don't know if it's still there ama imekuwa deleted, but I think the last time I checked that post ilikuwa imepostiwa hivi, alafu after kupostiwa just a few minutes later, like less than an hour, that post had 36,000 likes. In 7 hours, saizi naiangalia hapa naona iko na 84.7 likes. Those are the people who've engaged with it. Now try and imagine how many people have not engaged. On top of that, kuna 1,000 shares. So you have to look at this as a society and wonder, what are we looking for when it comes to content creation? And this is the reason why I thought this was a marketing gimmick, because it worked perfectly. And as we are here thinking about June 25th, we had to stop and be like, you know what? Wacha June 25th